Minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
We post Indian, Japanese as well as other international recipes on this channel.
So please do subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to hit that
Bell icon.
Many of you requested us to make easy Japanese snacks.
So today we'll be making Japanese style rolled omelets, which is known as tamagoyaki. Tamagoyaki literally means grilled eggs.
So without any further delay,
Let's get started.
To make tamagoyaki, you need just 4 ingredients that are easily available at home. Break 3 eggs in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon milk, 3/4 tablespoon sugar, and salt as per taste, and mix gently while beating the eggs. You can skip adding sugar if you want. Now heat a pan over low heat. Add a few drops of oil and using a paper towel, spread the oil all over the pan. Once the pan is hot, pour a very thin layer of egg mixture in it. Tilt the pan so as to cover the bottom entirely with the mixture. There are many variations to tamagoyaki, but today we are showing you the sweet version. It can be considered a popular breakfast as well as a side dish in lunch boxes in Japan. Now when the bottom of the mixture is slightly done, scrape the ends a bit. Now roll one end of the egg halfway and slide this to one end of the pan. Pour another thin layer of the egg mixture as shown. Again, roll one side over halfway and slide to one end of the pan. It's okay if the inner layers break, as there will be another layer on top of it. Lastly, pour the mixture again and repeat the same process. Once done, roll the egg properly to form a log. Now flip and cook both sides until they are a little golden brown. Usually in Japan, this egg omelette is made in a rectangular pan as it helps to roll the omelette into a classic thick rectangular shape. But since we didn't have that pan, we thought of trying it out in a round pan itself. Once done, set the omelette on a plate and let it cool a bit. Cut into bite-sized pieces. We recommend to eat with some mayonnaise and ketchup. Enjoy!
we love it when you try our recipes. So please do and share the photos with us on Instagram.
Also, do like, share and comment if you like our content. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our new videos.
Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.